John and Charles Wesley. My family and I go to Grace Crossing United Methodist Church in Longview, Texas. You probably don't know where Texas is because it used to be a part of Mexico. Texas is a great state because it is bold and strong. I was a kid when Grace Crossing started in June of 2008 by 3 people. They started by having monthly meetings in October and then started meeting for weekly church in February 2009. Now the church is celebrating being 4 years old. As a church and family, we have done things like serve tea for Mother's Day at Highway 80 Women's and Children's Center, planted flowers at Beacon of Hope, served Christmas morning breakfast at Highway 80, and run in the Christmas parade. My brother and I love the Mom and Dad's night out and family game night at Kids Crossing. I like my brother's teacher in Kids Crossing because she's nice and really good with kids. My brother says everyone is really nice and likes him at Grace Crossing. We also enjoy breakfast at the church. Our church bought land to build a new church. When we build the new church, we will have bigger rooms and a playground. If we have a bigger church, then there will be a lot more people coming. The most important thing about God is that He forgives us and knows everything about us. When I grow up, I want to be a pediatric dentist. When I am older, I would like to help teach the little kids in Kids Crossing. I hope that our church will be able to have Wednesday night Bible studies with games for kids and adults. I would like for the church to have a Sunday morning class for teenagers. I hope our church has a van to bring kids to church that cannot come to church. You started a really cool thing when you started the Methodist Church in the 1700s. I bet you never thought you would hear from a kid like me in 2013. We are doing our best to tell others about Jesus. One day, maybe I'll be a leader in the church just like you. Thank you for starting the church. Your friend Samantha.